Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make non-alcoholic sangria. First, select your base. Combine about 4 cups of your favorite fruit juice, like grape or cranberry, with 2 cups of sparkling water in a large pitcher. Add a generous amount of sliced fresh fruit, such as oranges and apples. Stir everything gently to combine, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for the flavors to meld beautifully. For the best flavor, choose a variety of ripe, seasonal fruits. Oranges, lemons, limes, and berries work wonderfully, as do sliced apples and peaches. Remember to slice your fruits thinly. This allows their natural juices to release more effectively into the sangria base. A splash of fresh orange or lemon juice can also brighten the overall taste, adding a zesty kick. To sweeten your sangria, consider natural options like 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or agave nectar, or even a simple syrup made with 1/4 cup of sugar. For an extra layer of warmth and complexity, you can add whole spices such as 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks or a few star anise pods. Always taste your mixture before serving and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Once chilled, your delicious non-alcoholic sangria is ready to serve. Pour it over plenty of ice in your favorite glasses. For beautiful presentation, garnish each serving with fresh mint leaves or a few extra slices of fruit. It's perfect for parties or a refreshing treat on a warm day. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, alcohol-free sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.